How to increase music time on Snapchat story. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to click on Snapchat application. From here, you need to click on this profile icon at the top left corner. Then here you need to click on my story. You need to click on this plus icon. From here you need to click on my snap, and after the clicking on this option you need to select any your image. For example, I want to add this picture to my story. After that, you can see here that a music track has been selected. From here you can choose any music you like. The main thing you need to pay attention to is this option here. You can see that I have the infinity option. For you, the 10 seconds option will be selected by default. Look here, you can see that the 10 seconds option is selected. You need to click on it and change it to infinity. Infinity means there is no limit. After that, when you add your story like this with the selected music, the music will play for infinity. That is, your story will end only when the music ends. In this way, you can increase the music time on your Snapchat story. Subscribe for more technology content.